Hello students, in accountancy, elements of account, unit 2. Now, today we are going to learning most important concept of accounting. Remember these rules up to your lifetime. This is the basic of all accountants. If you understand this rule carefully, then you will not have any problem up to chartered accountant or whatever you want to achieve in commerce line. So please remember this rule of accounting very well. Rules of accounting, or it is also known as rules of debit or credit. Friends, earlier we have discussed about the types of account. There are mainly two types of account: personal account and impersonal account. And in impersonal account, there are two types of account: real account and nominal account. So there are three types of account, and there are three rules of debit and credit in elements of account. First, personal account. Debit to the receiver and credit to the giver. Debit to the receiver, credit to the giver. Friends, in any transaction, who receives something, his account is always debited. For example, goods of 20,000 sold to Nikud. The goods goes up, but Nikud is the receiver. So Nikud account is always debited. Debit to the receiver and credit to the giver. Credit to the giver means friends, who is giver and giver's account is always credited. For example, goods of 5,000 purchased from Nishu. The goods comes in, but giver of these goods was Nishu. So Nishu account is always credited. So friends, once again, debit to the receiver, credit to the giver. And second rule of real account. Real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Whatever you receive or whatever things or materials comes to you, it is debited, and goes out from you is always credited. Debit whatever, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. For example, furniture purchase. The furniture comes to you. To debit what comes in, furniture comes in, to furniture account debit. And same way cash goes out. So cash goes out, cash account credit. And now final, nominal account. Nominal account is consist of expenses and income, friends. So debit the income, debit the expenses or loss, debit all expenses or loss, and credit all income or gain. Expense and losses are always debited. Income and gain are always credited. For example, salary paid. Salary is expense. Paid, expense. Salary account debit. Interest received rupees 20. Interest received, income. Income is always credited. And once again remember three rules. Personal account. Debit to the receiver, credit to the giver. Real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal account. Debit all the expenses and loss. Credit all income and gain. So this is the most important part of management account. Now friends, today we are going to start first example of accounting. So today is very special day for you. Today you are going to learn first example of management of account. So first example, classify the accounts given here. Friends, accounts name is given. You have to classify them. There are three types of account. At first, prepare statement, real account, personal account and nominal account. And now you have to classify these accounts. The capital account, capital, what is meaning by capital? Cash, goods or assets invested in business by owner is called owner is given. So personal account, capital, personal account. Goodwill is your assets, so real account, goodwill, real account. Salary is your expense, so salary, nominal account. Wages is your expense, so nominal account. Labor union is a gathering of personals, so it is personal account. Labor union, any type of union are considered as personal account. Labor union. Then labor is your expense. Then furniture is your assets, so real account. Sales is goods of sales, so it is real account. Amul Dairy any person is institutions, so Amul is personal account. Fees is expense or income, so nominal account. And Pankaj, personal name, personal account, Pankaj account. Land account. Land is your assets, so land. So, same way, please try to calculate this example. Classify the following account. In 11th exam, this example is considered 3 marks. So, carefully remember these things. Drawing, same way as personal account, drawing and writing personal account, interest, nominal, stock, real account, patent, real account, assets, discount, nominal, branch, personal, debtor, personal, charity, nominal, X limited share is your assets, so real account, X limited personal, dividend nominal, provident fund personal, postage nominal, tools real, copyright real, bad debt nominal, depreciation nominal, Shah Brothers personal, and gold real. So we will carry on next time, friends. Remember these rules and try to solve this exam. Thank you.